English Step by Step, Phrasal Verbs with in, Step 2. Now in the Step 1 video, you'll find explanations and examples of phrasal verbs with in. In this video, you'll find a practice exercise, so make sure you watch the Step 1 video first. So here's the practice exercise, and you'll need a piece of paper and a pen. You can see 10 sentences with 10 questions, and there are 10 gaps. So you have to fill in the gaps with the phrasal verbs to make the questions. For example, when should you wear a tie if you want to? And then look at the list of phrasal verbs, choose the best phrasal verb to make the question, and then that's the first part of this exercise. Now the second part is not writing, the second part is just thinking about how would you answer these questions. Think about how you would use the phrasal verbs to answer the questions, and then I'll give you some examples in the Step 3 video of how to answer them. So I'm going to leave the sentences up on the screen for 1 minute. Of course, you can pause the video if you need more time, and we'll check the answers in the Step 3 video.